What's up, Twinks? All right, week 9 gets the Jags. Last episode, bro. What you want, cuh? Hello, hello. Bro, what? All right, week 9 against the Jags, and we made some changes with the team. Oh, what the fuck? Made some changes with the team. I wanted to start Aiden O'Connell, but since I think he's like on IR, I'm not able to touch him at all. Because I want to touch him. But um, I guess for the rest of the season, we're just going to stick with Geno Smith. We traded away Dylan Parham. We traded away Jacoby Myers. We traded away Zamir White. And I think that's it. We signed Odell Beckham Jr. as like if someone gets hurt, we just plug him in. I think that's it for the offense. We're starting Charles Grant. He usually plays tackle, but we're starting him at left guard just because he's a rookie. Because I'm not starting Jordan Meredith because he's a fucking terrorist. But yeah, that's the offense. And for the defense, we traded for Tariq Woolen because I see a bunch of rumors saying that we're gonna trade for him and shit. I need to change his number. Who? We could restructure his contract. Will free up an indicator the season will be added per year to the final 3 of his contract. We'll see. I don't think we need we I don't think we need to because then that just adds money in the future for him. But we need to figure out who's 20 or what number was he in college. His number in college I think was 3. So if 3 is available, we might just put him as 3. Yeah, we're gonna have him as 3. But yeah, that. Oh my fucking god, EA sucks. But yeah, this is the new defense, or I guess new, kind of new, I guess. But yeah, we traded for Tariq Woolen. We traded away Malcolm Coons because he's 27, 73 overall. He had 1 sack this whole season, while Tyree Wilson has 5 now. Yeah, we're gonna keep him. We signed Yannick Ngakoue, signed Chris Paul, and we traded away Landon Roberts because he was 31 years old. We do not need that. And I'm pretty sure that's it. Yeah, defense. The rest of the defense still the same. Offense, small difference kind of. But yeah, that's the team going forward now for the rest of the season. Let's get into the game. I think the rest of the season we're just gonna pat stats, get people's overalls up because I don't think we're gonna go far in the season. Most likely gonna get a high draft pick, which I'm fine with, but I think we might trade that away for more picks in the future. Cause I'm looking to build future, not get something now. Cause with this O line, I don't trust it. We're not 1-5. What? We're 2-5. What the fuck? Well, we are coming off a bye though, so let's see what happens. Mustard. Oh, good start. Oh, good start. Yep. Amazing start. Here comes Trevor Lawrence. Sick. All right. Yeah, he doesn't have a lot of touchdowns. Yeah, just like Geno, he has more picks and touchdowns, which is good. Let's see if we get shit done. Looks like we're not gonna get shit done because Travis Etienne is basically the best running back ever now. All right, 1st and 10 again. You got Brian Thomas, Travis Hunter, and I think that's something Washington. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, nice play, Porter. Nice. You know, he could have fucking, what's his name? Paul Mal could have picked that up, but I don't know why. Oh, is he in the fucking, no, I don't want him in the, they're going to go to him again? And Porter's going to pick it off. Why would they go after him? Oh, Max Crosby coming off the edge, too. That was a good play. We might win this game. And the guy who's going to ruin it all. Oh, we do have more touchdowns and picks. But it's the same fucking thing. 1st and 10 on the 4. We're going to give it to Genty. And Genty's going to break loose. Genty's up to the 18. 14-yard gain. Let's go. Genty is already almost 1,000 yards. We could get him to probably break the record or something. Nah, that's probably asking for too much. Even this O-line. Oh, shit. There's no way. There's no way. Go, Genty. Go, Genty. Go, Genty. Oh, shit. Touchdown, Genty. Let's fucking go. Fuck yeah. Touchdown, Genty. How long was that? Like 86 yards? 86-yard run. Let's go. First and 10. Jags. Hell yeah. Jeremy Chin. In the hole. Stop the run. No gain. All right. 2nd and 10. Got Chris Paul out there. A new acquire. They're going to keep running the ball. I mean, I don't think they would want to pass it because of fucking Porter already picked them off. Third down. Oh, shit. Ah, Porter. Come on. Fuck. This is going to be a good matchup. Rookie against rookie. Oos. Oh, that's De'Ami Brown or something like that. Second and 5. I think they're going to run here. Nope. Yup, they're going to run. Ah, fuck. Tariq Woolen. Yeah, Tariq Woolen. New acquire with the tackle. Gonna blitz with Devin White here. 1st and 10. Nope, we're gonna stay on the sideline. Nope, we're gonna get him. Oh, picked up by Jeremy Chin. Let's go. 2 picks. Let's go. Jeremy Chin with the interception. Just keep giving the ball to Genty. That's it. Just keep giving it to Genty. Just keep giving it to Genty. Keep giving it to Genty. Fuck yeah. He's already had 100 yards. Already. 3 rushes, 100 yards, and a touchdown. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be fucking kidding me. We might get Thorne far. We might. Nope. No, go Tucker. Ah, nice. Oh my god. No, it's there. Alright, bet. Hell yeah. No. Just keep it like that. 1st and 10. Gino. Oh, shit. We're just going to run, Gino. Slide. 4-yard gain. 2nd down. We're just going to run inside with Genty. Our rookie guards are doing good for now. See how they do this play after I said that. Yep, thought so. Third and 3. We're just going to give the ball to Genty. I trust him to get this 1st down. Never mind. Oh, yeah, all of a sudden I said something. Our O-line can't block now. No, we're going for it. We're going to give the ball back to Genty. No, we got nothing to lose this season. Oh, fuck. Fuck me, man. First and 10 for the Jags. Great. All right, let's see if we can do something. We've gotten 2 takeaways. Let's get another one. Let's get another one. Oh, fuck yeah. Stopped in the backfield. Oh, shit. Ah, come on. First down, Jags. Go with 3 receivers, 1 tight end. So you can stop this run. Ah, fuck. Tariq Woolen in the backfield. Let's go. Second 10. Come on, let's get a stop. Let's get a pick. Oh, there's another one. Stretch. Devin White in the backfield. Let's go. Come on, 3rd and 11. They're probably going to go deep. Travis Hunter again. Nope. Oh, shit. Porter again. Porter. Let's go, Porter. Break up that. That doesn't even break up. He just dropped a pick. Doesn't matter. Punt that ball. I want to get a deep ball to Thorin, dude. If that safety comes down, I'm throwing it deep to Thorin. Fuck. Go Mayer on the on the drag. Oh shit! He's gonna get like 30 yards. This. Fuck yeah. I'm gonna try to look for Bowers. 1st and 10. Yep, Bowers gonna be open. Dude! Oh my god, he got bumped. Ah! It's fucking retarded. I want to get Bowers involved, dude. Bowers was wide open. Could get Thorin in the middle, probably. Can we? Can we? Can we? Can we? Oh, shit! Oh, my God, he caught it! Oh, shit! Just gonna stick with that. The Tucker on the... Bro, what the fuck? Dude, this guy Gino sucks, bro. This guy Gino is so buns. So buns. Bowers is going to be open. Never mind. Gino's going to throw a pick. Oh, my fucking God, Gino. Where's O'Connell? Where is he? What? I can start him, right? Bro, please. Please let me start him. Please let me start him, dude. Please. He's healthy now. He's healthy now. I'm starting him, dude. God, I'm done with Gino. I'm done with him. Let's go, Max. Bring him down. God, fucking Gino, bro. Fucking hate him. Oh, shit. He's going to keep it? Oh, fuck. Hit that nigga. Ah. All right, 3rd and 9. Come on, we got to make this stop. Come on, they get 9. Oh, just go with them. He's going to be wide, man. Porter, pick it. Second pick at the game. He has 4 picks on the season. Let's fucking go. Why is Kenny Pickett in? No. I want Aiden O'Connell. Fuck, man. Fuck me, bro. God, I want Aiden O'Connell. Look for Jack Beck on the drag. Or Bowers. Yep, Bowers. Oh, my God. 3 yards. See if I get a corner on him. Yep. Open. Bowers. Let's go. First down. Let's get the ball, Jency, now. Ooh, wait. You're going to press on Thorin? Hold up. I might be cooking here. Fuck. I'm not cooking. I'm not cooking. I'm not cooking. I'm not cooking. First, first down, Gino. Holy shit. Trey Tucker could be open here. That safety doesn't go. No, he's not going to be open. Brock Bowers is, though. Let's go. First down. First and goal. They have a lot of people in the box. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to get this. Ah, shit. Fuck, they have a lot of people. Fuck it. Ah, shit. They crammed it right up. Probably look for Bowers or back here. Fuck. Oh, shit. Just run, Smith. Run free. Oh, yeah. Let's go, Smith. Fuck you, but touchdown. All right. First and 10 Jags. Let's stop it. Let's get another pick. We already have 3 picks in the second half. Oh, fuck. I should have got that. Let's get another pick. Let's get on Crosby. Dude, Crosby's so fast. Holy shit. He has 24 yards rushing. They're dominating in this game. And he has his X Factor. Awesome. Dude, all we have is DBs out there. Oh, another. Oh, fuck. Oh, my God. I thought I picked that off again. But no. Fourth and 8. Punt that ball, pussy. What? Come on, Genty. Get to the cut inside. First down? First down. 2-minute warning. We could definitely go score. Definitely. I want to get Thorne deep, bro. I'm throwing it. I'm throwing it. Oh, shit. I shouldn't have thrown that. That's a pick, huh? Ah, fuck. Ugh, scary. Second and 10. Probably look for Bowers here. Bowers is wide open, dude. Keep going, Bowers. That's a touchdown. That's a touchdown. That's a touchdown. Touchdown, Bowers. Let's go. Oh, we are dominating this game. Dominating. Should we go for 2? We're going to go for 2. I'm probably being stingy. I'm being stingy. I'm being real stingy. Tucker's open. 2 points. Let's go. Come on, let's stop him again. Let's get this ball back. Score again. Keep scoring. Don't take the gas. Don't take the foot off the gas. Ah, fuck. Tyrell Wilson would have got a 6. We're playing good D. We're playing good D, good offense. Oh, shit, screen. Oh, fuck, that got me. Oh, shit. Oh, I thought I got hurt. What, is he hurt? No, he's not hurt. We're going to use our first timeout. Run with... Nope, not going nowhere. Jamal Adams. Shit, they're going to hurry up now. You'll be on Devin White. 2nd and 8. Go. Oh! Pass break up by Devin White. Let's go. Pussy. All right, 3rd and 8. Come on. Come on. Let's get another stop. Get that ball back. Ooh, Travis Hunter's open. Nope. Gonna rush him. What's this? Oh, fuck. 4th down. That's right. Stops the clock. We could definitely go score again. We get Jack back open if we do this. Nope. Ah, fuck. If I threw a little earlier, probably would have been open. That's all right. 48 seconds, all 3 timeouts. I'm not in a rush. If we get 3, it's all right. Oh, fuck. All right. Take the timeout. Ooh. Is that Tucker? Yeah, Tucker's getting that deep. Oh, it's not. Alright. Awesome. Alright, one more timeout. Let's look for, is that Thorne on the corner? That's Beck on the corner. 1st and 10. Should I try to look for Beck deep here? He's open. He's open. Out of bounds? Let's fucking go. Hell yeah. What a fucking throw. 1st and 10. Genty go here. Fuck, no one's open. Go Ryan Smith. Alright, timeout. Thank God we got that last time out. Who's got the inside slant? Tucker? We look for Tucker here, I guess. If Thorne breaks off that press, he might be open. None of them are fucking open. Oh, fuck! Ah, shit. Shit. Let's do this. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Fuck! 3 seconds. Alright, let's just take our 3. Genty was already 135 rushing yards. It's insane. No, what's even crazier, Geno Smith has almost 300 yards passing this game. Or already. That's crazy. Never thought I'd see that shit. Alright, let's get this ball back. Why is Porter out here? Ugh. Oh, fuck. Genty is already almost to, that is not correct. He has like 900 yards. He's going to hit 1,000 right now. 400 yards. Oh my God. He could probably hit. He could probably hit it right now. Can he? Go complete. 1,000 yards. Let's go. Awesome. That's fucking awesome. Already hit 1,000 yards. Not even 10 weeks into the NFL, he already has 1,000 yards. That's crazy. Oh shit! What the fuck? Oof. Yeah, that was. I swear to God, that would have been picked. Shouldn't keep giving the ball, Genty. Break it! Ah, fuck. 70. We could get him to 200. We could definitely get him to 200. Oh shit! Ah, I should have hit that hole. Fuck. Let's pass the ball. I want to get Thorne deep. I want to get him deep. Just gonna hit Tucker on the drag. 3rd and 6. Jack Beck could be open. Or I could hit Brock Bowers in the middle if that's open. No. Oh, Genty. Ah, fuck, bro. Come on. There's no way that's a hard throw, Gino. You're dick. Let's go for it. Oh, if he goes with him, he could probably be open. He's open. Oh, come on, Thornton. You gotta catch that. Come on. All right. Let's see if our defense scold him. Like all game. Come on, let's keep that goose egg up there. What's this? Let's go. 2nd and 7. Oh, that's open. Break it up, Woolen. Come on. Ah, fuck. 1st down, Jags. We're going to blitz. Fuck. Oh, no. Don't tell me they're going to score here. Come on. We've been holding them all game. Hold on, we gotta get another pick. Porter, get another pick. Yo, why is he come up? Fuck. Pick that! Ah! Fuck, he laid him out though. 3rd and 5. Come on, we gotta make this stop. Come on, man. You gonna run it? Fucking knew it. Us. Fuck, they're gonna get points here no matter what. They're close. They're already in field goal range. Come on, let's stop them. Get him, Wilson. Fuck yeah. All right, 3rd and 1. Let's come on. Let's get a big stop here. Big stop. Let's go zone. We haven't played zone. Fuck. Oh. Let's go 4th down. Kick that ball, pussy. Oh, they're going for it. Oh shit. Fuck. I don't like how this looks. Fuck. No, I don't want to do that. I don't like my detail. Oh my god, bro. Why are my tackles? Hate that. This is why I hate that. Oh my god. Fuck. Why are my D linemen going in zone coverage? I don't want that. No, they're gonna pass it. What the fuck? Fuck, they're gonna score a touchdown here. Come on. Why is Jeremy Chin on the line? Aw, bitch. Alright. Not gonna get the goose egg, but we still win the game. We still hold them. Come on. Oh, what the fuck? Where'd that white boy come from? Oh, we're only 20 yards away from 200. We can get that. 2nd and inches. We're gonna give the ball back to Genty. Because why would we pass the ball on inches? Maybe if our O-line could fucking block. 3rd down. We're just gonna run with Genty. Why would we throw the ball on 3rd and 1? Probably find Bowers here in the middle. Or Tucker on the drag. Let's go. 1st down. Gino, shut up. You've been sucking all season. You have a pick in every game. Every game. Hold on, let's get Genty 200. 1st and 10. Ooh. Oh, fuck, bro. He can't break a tackle for shit, dude. They're the 2nd ranked defense? How? That was my fault. I should have ran to the outside. Probably find Jack Bag in the slant. And make Genty going out. That could probably be open. Yep, it's open. Let's go. Jack Beck. Like, what the fuck is this play? What is this play? Let's run this shit, so... What the fuck? Oh, we got 2 motions? Alright, 2 motions. You know what? Bowers might be open. Bowers is wide open. Holy shit, that play worked. Touchdown Bowers. Let's go. 1st and 10 Jags. Let's get this shit. Let's get this shit. Let's get this shit. What the fuck am I doing? Turn around. Oh, I was what? I was holding Y the entire time it was coming by. Why didn't he put his hands up? What the dick? All right, come on. Let's go. I don't like this. I don't like that. Fuck. Pick that up. Oh yeah, Richardson. Fuck yeah. 4 picks in this game. Let's go. We're definitely just gonna chew this clock now. We're gonna leave with the win. What the fuck? Oh, we need 200. Come on, we gotta get 10 yards. All these fucking motions. Yeah, I like this. Go to the linebacker. Cut. All right, that wasn't nice. Come on, we got to get to 200. I don't like that. But fuck it, we ball. What the fuck? Man, we're going for it no matter what. We need that 200. I want to get 200 rushing with him. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. Nope. That's right. We're up like 20 points. All right, back on D. See if we can make a stop. Why would they run the ball? Why are they running the ball? You're down fucking almost 20. Run. Why are you running the ball? What? Oh my god. These motherfuckers suck.
Of course, that flag accepted, and it backs the ball up 5 yards. And that false start penalty certainly not helping their cause here. Second down and long.
Second and 18. Jesus Christ, they're gonna motion their tight end. Oh no, he's going back.
From the gun, it's Lawrence.
Sack Mac Crosby, I'm guessing. 2-minute corner. Yeah, that's Mac Crosby. Yeah, I see him. No! I don't like that. 3rd and 26. They gotta go deep. Yeah, let's check it down. What? Are you kidding me, bro? Oh my god. Why are they giving me that play? I don't want it. All right, come on, D. All right, yeah. Dude, I don't want that play. Stop giving me it. These plays are fucking terrible, dude. We're just gonna rush Wilson. All right, yeah, totally. Just throw it away. Are they gonna run it? Are they just gonna choose this clock? Y'all a bunch of fucking pussies if you choose clock. Nope. All right. Oh shit! That guy's open. Throw it, pussy. Chargers lost to the Titans. Holy shit, bro! What the fuck? All right, 4th and 10. Let's get this stop. Get out of here with a win. Oh shit! Brian Thomas is open. Oh no, he's open over here. Reek Woolen, let's go! With the game-sealing interception. The newly required Tariq Woolen. Let's go. Newest Raider. Yeah, we have 5 turnovers. Oh my god. Is that 200 now? You get 200? Come on, give me 200. That's got to be 200. That's 200. Oh. After this run, it's probably definitely going to be game. That run, yep. game. Awesome. 32-7 win. This was a good feeling win. That felt so nice. Go to 3 go 3-5? Yeah, we go to 3-5. Still not good. The confusing season we're in. We don't know if we're good, don't know if we're bad. We can compete in games, and we could fucking dominate in games. But the games that we have competition in just can't pull it out. Because I don't pull out. Anyways, yeah.
The loss would have really hurt, but as it stands, it's an important win as they move to 3-5 on the year.
Gino had probably one of his best games of the season. 219 yards for Genty, which is awesome. Did we hold him? He only had 4. We held their team to 50 yards rushing. That is insane. Brock Bowers had a day. 5 catches, 126 yards, and 2 TDs. Awesome. Oh, he had 1 sack of Max Crosby. Porter had an interception. Woolen had an interception. Chin had an interception. Richardson had an interception. Awesome. Good win. 32-7 win. Next week we got the Broncos. Brock Bowers shines against the Jaguars. Awesome. But yeah, Genty is 400 yards ahead of everyone. Oh my god, that's insane. Porter's leading the league in interception now. We got 2 rookies leading the league and shit. Let's check out the words out yet. Yeah, words are out. As of now, Mahomes might win MVP. Ashton Genty is in 10th place in MVP. Coach of the year is going to be Todd Bowles. Of course not us. Of course not Joe Gatto. Ashton Genty might win Offensive Player of the Year. Defensive Player of the Year, Devin Lloyd, Max Crosby. Max Crosby could get it. We could probably get him if he gets more sacks. Ashton Genty, of course. Porter's definitely going to win. He's definitely winning that shit. As of now, which is a crazy fucking stat, Geno Smith is leading the league in touchdowns right now. And he's also leading the league in interceptions. Does he have the most attempts? No, he doesn't have he's not even top 10 in attempts. Yards, he's not. He's top 5 in. But his completion percentage is fucking dick, right? Mason, bruh. Okay, so as of right now, Josh Allen, of course, Daniel Jones, and Lamar Jackson. These are the best QBs of right now. Because Geno Smith is so fucking bad. Oh my god. Where is he? Did I miss him? Oh wait, yeah. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Completion percentage is not the best from him. But yeah, anyways, that's going to be it for this episode. Genty and Porter are looking to be big factors on our team. 3-5. We are, well, we'll see our standings in the next episode, but as of right now, don't know where this team's going, but we'll see. Playing Broncos next week. Later, Twinks.